those things, right? So let us start up with the Lissajous pattern, right? So the first basic that we are going to learn now, that is the basic operation, is simply called what? Lissajous pattern, right? So with the help of Lissajous pattern, what we are going to do, once again, take your screen of the CRO, right? Let us consider the screen of the CRO. Let me consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's enough, right? So 7 lines. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. That's enough. Let us assume this is our screen of your CRO. You please find out the center point. Center point is where? This is our center point. I hope I am correct, right? So in the right side we have 3 lines, vertical lines. Left side also we have 3 vertical lines. Similarly, horizontally, if you observe, after this dot we have 3 horizontal lines. In the upward direction also we have 3 horizontal lines. So exactly this is the center point. We can say that is our origin. Now this is going to be our x-axis. Then we can say this is our x-axis. Then which is our y-axis, and this is going to be your y-axis. So this x-axis at sometimes it is also called a time axis, a t-axis. It's based on the type of the signal that we are going to use in our SCRO, that is CRO. It might be what? XY axis or XYT axis, right? Okay, let us see what we are going to do now. Our target is we are going to discuss about the Lissajous patterns, right? So our target is we are going to discuss about the Lissajous pattern. Now the first conclusion is, let us observe what type of Lissajous pattern, that is, now what is our target? We are going to measure first. We are going to measure the screen output, right? Screen output in the sense, first through the y-axis we are going to pass some sinusoidal signal, and through x-axis also we are going to pass some standard, that is sinusoidal signal. But one signal is unknown signal and another signal is known signal. Anyway, our target is we are going to observe the pattern, that is a screen, that is pattern of your waveform in the CRO while passing 2 sinusoidal signal with the same magnitude, right? So let me consider different what I can say values, and let us see how to plot all these things, right? So closely observe what I am going to do here. The thing is, let us take for an example, in the x-axis we are allowing some instantaneous signal Vx of t. Let me simply call that value is 4 times of sine omega t. And in the y-axis also we are going to pass some type of signal, right? In y-axis we are going to consider, right? Let me pass the same signal, 4 times of sine omega t. Now I would like to know the value of the that is the values that are going to be displayed on this screen. Now here let us assume we are considering 1 voltage per division. We are considering 1 volt per division. We are considering 1 volt per division. That is what I am going to do now, right? So let us continue our journey with this. Okay sir, now we know the applied voltage in x-axis, and we also know the applied voltage in y-axis also, right? Now let us see what type of pattern that is going to be displayed on this screen. Now see there, the phase angle difference between the applied 2 voltage is going to be 0 degree. You have to notice one more thing, the phase angle difference between the applied voltages, right, in both x-axis and y-axis is going to be 0 degree. Let us see at 0 degree what type of pattern that will be displayed on the screen of your the CRO, right? Yeah, let's start our journey with this. Now you are requested to take different values for theta, start from 0 and then consider 45 degree, and then consider 90 degree, and then consider 135 degree, and then consider 180 degree, right? For your better understanding you can also go ahead, right, and then consider like 225 degree, like I think that is enough, right? We are going up with the too much values. So 45, 90, 135, 180, right? Let us consider 225 also. Then let me consider 270, and then let us consider 315, let us consider 360. Let's complete one complete cycle. Okay, now let us start our journey from here. Okay, the thing is, first we are going to measure the value on x-axis as well as y-axis also. Here also we are going to measure the value on x-axis as well as y-axis also for different phase angles. That is what our target now. So let us see what will happen here. Let me keep our calci, that is, let us take the calci. Please observe, this is very, very important zone that we are entering now. If you forget the things, whichever the things that I am giving here, you understand the procedure, you can play, right? Play with these things in your examination. Okay, let me open the Cal C. Let me try to solve the answer for our question. We know the value of Vx and Vy, right? So let us see. The first thing is, at 0 degree what will happen? We all know when omega t equal to 0, then sine 0, right? Sine of 0 is what? 0. Sine of 0 is 0. At theta equal to 0, both x and y values are going to be 0. At 45 degree, what will happen? What is the value of sine 45? I hope that is 1 by root 2, right? So that is 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2. This is also going to be 1 by root 2 only. Next, at 90 degree, sine 90 is how much? 1. So 1 into, listen, I forget to keep 4 also, 4 by root 2, maximum value, right? 4 by root 2. At omega t equal to 90, sine 90, 1, 1 into 4, 1 into 4. So both are going to be 4, 4. Next, at 135, again it is become what? 1 by root 2 only, right? So that is 4 by root 2. We can say 4 by root 2, 4 by root 2. Again, at 180, sine 180 is 0, we all know that is 0. Again, at 225, I think that is minus 1 by root 2. Anyway, let me check it by myself. That is, that is minus 1 by root 2. So we can say minus 4 by root 2. This is also going to be minus 4 by root 2. Next, let us observe at 270. At 270, what we are going to observe? Sine 270 is again minus 1, right? Minus 1 into 4 become minus 4. This is going to be minus 4. This is again minus 4 by root 2, and this is also minus 4 by root 2. And here at 360, again sinusoidal value will become 0. So I kept, that is, we had been analyzed a complete cycle. You can just take 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. That is enough. Anyway, in order to get the clear values, let us take all these values. Let's try to plot them into the screen, right? So you please let us see, you please observe these things in the display of your SRO. Let us see what will happen. The thing is what I'm going to observe here. Okay guys, let me do one thing. You please take that is 2 voltage per division for our understanding. Let me consider 2 voltage per division. Okay, that is much better for us because I have to completely, that is I have to consider all values, right? Let us see, at theta equal to 0, what is the value? Both y-axis and x-axis are going to be 0. It means your first point will be spotted at the origin, right? Second point, both are 4 by root 2, 4 by root 2, right? So okay, here this value exactly cannot be marked here because see, that each and every division we are going to consider what? 2 voltages, right? So 4 by root 2 is not exact value. I might part, listen, so 4 by root 2 அப்படிங்கிறது எங்க வரும்? 4 by root 2, it is nothing but what? 2 into root 2, right? 2 into root 2, that is 2 into root 2 in the sense that is 1.5, I can say 2.848. 2.848 means it might be lies somewhere here on the x-axis. Y-axis also it might be lies somewhere here. If you join those 2 points, they might be joined somewhere here, right? It will be spotted here. Next, let us continue. At 90 degree, both are going to be 4. See, this is 0, this is 2, this is 4. This is 4th value, and y-axis also, this is 4, 4, 4. Both are joining here. See there, x also 4, that is vx also 4, vy also 4. So both are 4, 4, so they will be joined here. Again 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2 means you have to come back to the same point. Again 0, 0. Again you have to come back to the same point, right? Now let me join all these points. Let us join all these points. Let us go to the second half, that is minus 4 by root 2. Minus 4 by root 2. That is, see there guys, listen, we are going up with the negative values. See, one division will give you minus 2 voltages, but I am in need of minus, what I can say, 2.848, right? So let me place it somewhere here. In y-axis also same point. Let me join those 2 points. Again, I will get 1 point here. And then minus 4, minus 4, that will be here. And then again, coming back to the same point, again, if I will join these 2 points, see what I am getting here, I am getting a straight line, right? I am getting a straight line. Are you getting me? Just observe the pattern of your, what I can say, waveform, right? So this is the waveform that you can observe in the CRO, right? What type of line it is? You are getting a straight line. You are getting a straight line, a slope, right? When both axes are carrying sinusoidal signal without any displacement. At theta equal to 0 degree, we are getting a straight line. Getting me? Yeah. So let me place it somewhere here. At a theta equal to 0 degree displacement, I got a straight line, that is our slope. Clear? Yes. Now, and one more thing is, if you observe that slope exactly with respect to x-axis, right, it will be placed at an angle of 45 degree. Because we are getting there, see there, exactly straight line. right? It means it will be placed at an angle of 45 degree. If you observe carefully, you will get this one, right? That's all, right? That is the slope value, that is a slope angle, right? Fine. I hope things are going good, right? So what is our next task? Let us see. This is at a theta equal to 0 degree. I am getting a straight line at an angle of 45 degree, right? It will be tilted at an angle of 45 degree, and I am getting a straight line when both signals are both signals are going to be sinusoidal, and they are what? Without any displacement, they are entering and with the same magnitude. Don't forget, with the same magnitude is very important, right? Yeah, geez, listen. First, you should try to understand. That is the one and only conclusion. Don't memorize anything. At sometimes they might give you some different values. You might be forget, right? நீங்க memorize பண்ணிட்டீங்க அப்படினா அங்க மறந்துட்டீங்கன்னா அவங்க ஏதாவது டிஃபரெண்டா ட்விஸ்டிங் கொடுத்தாங்க அப்படினா you will be what I can say automatically there might be a chance of losing your marks. But it is very easy and it is very important to just observe and try to place the answers, right? Let us see. Now the second case. Let me try to change the phase angle. Right now what I am going to do, the next task is, so let me remove this 45 at all. Now you know how to draw these things, right? Let me remove this 315 and this 225 also. We will just consider 4 values. Let's plot them. Again theta 0 degree and then consider 90 degree and then consider 180. One second. 180 and then consider 270 and then we will consider 360. I think that is enough, right? 5 scale values are there. Okay. Now what I am going to do? Let me take the same signal. Let us provide, okay, let me take y-axis. That is much better. So let me provide 45 degree phase angle difference between the first one and the second one. Right, if x and y axis are having, see that in this case, if you observe, what is the phase angle difference between the waveform? The phase angle difference is theta equal to 45 degree. If the entering waveform, right, you can also consider this 45 here, right? I'm just taking here, right? So the conclusion is what? Suppose if the waveform, right, if the value, that is signals that we are entering into the x and y axis are having same magnitude but a different phase angle. First one is having 0 degree, second one is having 45 degree. Under this situation, what type of pattern that we are going to observe in this CRO? That is the question now. Can you please do it? Yes. Let us start our journey again from the beginning. Let us see what type of pattern that we are going to observe in the screen of the CRO, right? For that, let me plot the values here. First of all, listen, at theta equal to 0, once again, if I place theta equal to 0, then sin 0 will become 0. X-axis value is 0. What about y-axis value? If I'll replace omega t equal to 0, right? If I'll put 0 here, 0 plus 45 become 45. Sin 45 will be 1 by root 2. So that is 4 by root 2, or I can say 2 into root 2, or we can say that is 4.848. No, 2 into root 2 in the sense that is 2.848, right? Sorry, that is 2.848. Yeah, I'm correct. Next, let us see at theta equal to 90 degree. Sin 90, 1. 1 into 4 will become 4 only. What about here? That is become 135. 135 will become, again it will give you same value, that is 2.848 only. Because 90 plus 45 will become what? Automatically 135 only, right? And then 180. 180 in the sense, let us see, sin 180, 0. What about here? 180 plus 45 become what? 225. What is the value of sin 225? Minus 4 by root 2, or minus 2.848. Minus 2.848. Are you getting me? Right, so let us continue. Next to 270. At 270, sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 will become minus 4. What about this one? Sin 180. 180 plus 45. 180, that is become 225, right? Am I correct? So first, wait a minute. I place 180 here. Yeah, now it is 270, right? 315. 315 also will give you minus 2.848 only. I hope I am correct. You please cross check, right? Next, 360. Class is going good? No, I came outside. Fine. Okay, 360. At 360, sin 360 again become 0. See, 360 will also be equal to what? 0, right? 0 and 360 are giving us same information, right? So at 360 means we are getting back to the starting point. So 360 plus 45 will be equal to 0 plus 45 only, right? So I can say again at 45 what they are going to get? 1 by root 2 once again. So 1 by root 2 into 4, that is same. We are going to get 2.848. It is same as the value that we are getting at 0 degree, right? So let us place both x and y axis values here, right? So what we have done at a theta equal to 45 degree, right? First thing, when Vx value will become 0, this is origin, right? X-axis value will be in origin, whereas Y-axis value will be 2.848, approximately 3, right? See there, per division we are considering 2 voltages. It means 3 might be lies in between what I can say 2 and 4, somewhere here. X-axis value is 0, Y-axis value will be 3, so this is the spot. First part. Second spot, let us see. X-axis 4, Y-axis is still again 2.848, right? See there, X-axis 4, this is 0, 2, 4. Y-axis value is same value, so it might be appear somewhere here. Again, let us consider, this is at 180, X-axis value once again it is coming back to 0, whereas Y-axis value is minus 2.848, right? Minus 2.848 somewhere here. And then again it is coming back to 0, whereas this value is plus 2.848. X-axis value is, let us consider this one, at 270, X-axis value is minus 4, Y-axis is again minus 2.848, right? Minus 4 is somewhere here, and 2.848 means it will be here. Next, next at 360, X-axis value will be 0, Y-axis value will be what? 2.848, right? So again, see, X-axis value will be 0, again Y-axis. So what is the conclusion here? See there, first we are lying at this point, and then we are lying at this point, and then we are coming back to this point, and then we are reaching this point, again we are going back to this point, again we are making a ellipsoid, right? So just observe, we are making an ellipse, and in which direction we are rotating, observe the direction, that is very important. See there, I was just first I was standing at this point, and then I am going in this direction, that is clockwise, again, and then I had been reached with this point, that is clockwise, and then I had been reached with this point, that is also clockwise. So we are making the rotation in clockwise, and it is an ellipse. Do you all agree with me? Exactly, this is our ellipse. And what is the phase angle difference between the first signal and second signal? Sir, if the phase angle difference between the first signal and the second signal will become 45 degree, then on the CRO, you can face an ellipse. Right? So, see, you will be tested for some worthless, what I can say 2 mark and 1 mark questions, right? If the phase angle difference between the first and the second signal is 45 degree, then what type of waveform that you can observe, what type of pattern that you can observe on the screen of the CRO, right? It is what? It is an ellipse at theta equal to 45 degree. If the phase angle difference between the signal is 45 degree with the same magnitude, then we can observe an ellipse in the CRO. Right, and it is rotating in the clockwise direction. That is very important. Getting me? Yes. So let us continue. The next observation is, suppose if the value of theta will become 90 degree. Let us see what happened. Right. So our next target is, let us increase the displacement between okay, let me remove it completely because it will be confused. Please be patient because I am looking for a digital board. Soon we will receive it, right? Then I might take the classes in a better way. Now it is wasting our time, right? I know. Wait. Fine. What is our next target? Okay, sir, ellipse is over. So our next target is, let me increase the phase angle difference to 90 degree. Let us see what happened, right? So the third case is, we are considering phase angle difference as what? 90 degree. Let us observe the pattern that we are going to receive in the screen of the CRO, right? The pattern is what? Once again, x and y axis values are there, sir. At theta equal to 0 degree, what happens? Theta equal to 0. See, once again, if I replace theta by 0, then sine 0 will be what? 0. Here, if I replace theta by 0, then sine 90 will give us what? 1. 1 into 4 will give you 4. Next, at theta equal to 90, sine 90 is 1. 1 into 4 will become 4. Okay. Here, if I place 90, 90 plus 90 become 180. Sine 90 will be 0. Next, see that at 180, sine 180 will be 0. At 180, 180 plus 90 become 270. Sin 270 will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 will become minus 4. At 270, sin 270 will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 will become minus 4. At 270, 270 plus 90 become 360. Sin 360 will be 0. Again at 360, sin 360 will be directly 0. Here 360 plus 90. 360 is, it means 0 only. So 0 plus 90 become again 90. Sin 90 will become 1. 1 into 4 will become plus 4. Slowly solve again. See, listen. When I am putting theta equal to 0 here, sin 0, 0. Here, 0 plus 90. 90 will be there. 0 plus 90, 90. Sin 90, 1. 1 into 4, I am getting 4. Second case, theta equal to 90. What is the left sin 90? 1. 90, sin 90 is 1. 1 into 4, 4. Next, here, same values. At the theta equal to 90. Sin 90. 90 plus 90, 180. What is sin 180? Sin 180, 0. Again, at 180. Theta equal to 180. Sin 180, 0. Sin 180. 180 plus 90, 270. 270 is what? Sin 270 minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. At 270. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 270 plus 90, 360. Which is equal to 0 degree. Sin 0, 0. At 360, sin 360, 0. 360 plus 90, which is equal to 90 only. So sin 90, 1. 1 into 4, I am getting 4. Let us spot these values on the screen of the CRO, right? So let us see what will happen. The thing is, listen, for our understanding, I am taking very small values. Like, sorry, I am taking only some 5 values. But we can take what? 0, 0.0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree. That is the way you have to travel. After you travel, you are getting the all values. Like, if in last case, ellipse on the completed giant manalya. I took only 4 points. But if you are considering all points, then automatically, and the dots say no, all points consider ellipse on the display screen. But for our understanding, we are unable to collect all those points, right? That is a waste of time. So for that I took very few points here, right? Fine. So let us take this all points. Let us mark it on the screen of the CRO. Once again, at the theta, first theta equal to 0 degree. First what we got, x equal to 0, y is equal to 4. X equal to 0, y is equal to 4. This is the point. Next point, 4 comma 0. X is 4, y is equal to 0. It will be spotted here. Listen, per division will give you 2 voltage, then 2 division will give you 4 voltage, right? At theta equal to 180, again 0 comma minus 4. This is x-axis value is 0, y-axis value is minus 4. Y-axis value, just observe the direction. Initially I was standing at this point, 0 comma 4. X-axis 0, y is 4. And then x is 4, y is 0. And then x is 0, y is minus 4. And then x is minus 4, y is 0. X is minus 4, y is 0. Which is the direction? The direction is I came in this way, right? I came in this way, right? Here I have not drawn the exact scale, right? If you observe practically, it is look like almost, which is look like a what? Circle, right? So what is the conclusion and what is the direction? Direction is 90, sorry, angle is what? 90 degree. Direction is what? Clockwise. Sir, what is the conclusion? Next, if the phase angle difference between the two signals that are being entering into the what I can say CRO is 90 degree. If the phase angle difference between the signal is 90 degree with the same magnitude, then you can observe you are going to get a circle. You are going to get a circle, and that circle will rotate in what? Clockwise direction. See there, it is rotating in the clockwise direction only. That is the next observation that we are getting from the CRO. Let's continue the operation, right? So now let me consider theta equal to 135, right? So the phase angle difference between the signals are going to be 135. Okay, you please do it. Again, let us rub this one. Slowly observe. Theta equal to 135. Shall we start? Yes, for that I have to rub this one. Right, so let me remove these things first. Please be patient. Yeah. Okay, let's start our operation again from the beginning, right? What we are going to do now? Again, the new case is theta equal to 0. Sin 0, 0. Here, sin 0, 0 plus 135. Sin 135, 1 by root 2. 4 by root 2 become 2 into root 2, or we can say what? That is 2.848. 2.848. See, that is Root 2 is what? 1.414, right? So that is 2.0248, that is 828, right? Yeah, 2.828, that is the correct value. I made mistake. Please correct it. Fine. Let us continue. At theta equal to 90. Sin 90, 1. 184 will become 4. What about here? 90. Okay, now you please tell me what is the value of 135 plus 90? 225, right? What is the value of sin 225? Minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will become what? Minus 2.828. Next, at 180, sin 180, 0. Here, 180 plus 135, that is going to be what? I hope that is 315. Right? So we are adding what? 180 plus 130. Am I correct? If I'll add 180, yeah, that is 315 only. Right? Just to add 180 with 135, I am getting 315. Exactly, right? So 315 in the sense, again you are going to get minus 2.828 only. There is no doubts. Let us consider 270. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 270. 270 means 360, yeah? Yeah, let me consider. See, actually what we are considering here, our angle is 270. 270 plus 135, right? For our, that is avoiding mistakes, I am writing these things here. That is 5, 10. So I am getting what? 405. 405 can be broken as, see, let me consider 360 plus 45. Is there any mistake here? Is there any mistake? Both are same value, right? So 360 is what? Which is equal to 0 degree only. So 0 plus 45. So what is the conclusion? 405 can be, it is equal to what? 45 degree. 405 is equal to 40 degree. Now you please tell me what is the value of sin 45? Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Or I can say plus 2.848. Plus 2.828. Not 848, 828. At 360, sin 360, 0 sir. What about here? 360, 0. 0 plus 135, minus 1 by root 2. Sorry, plus 1 by root 2. Plus 1 by root 2 into 4 become what? Again, plus 2.828. Plus 2.828. Let's plot all these values, right? Let us see the observed values on the screen. At x equal to 0, see there at x equal to 0 what we got? X equal to 0, y is 2.828, right? So x equal to 0, y is 2.828, approximately it is equal to 3 somewhere here. Next value is at x equal to 4, x is 4 only, but y is minus 2.828, right? See where is minus 2.8, y-axis is negative and x-axis is positive, right? Positive and this is negative, right? So let me plot that value somewhere here, right? Just observe, this is going to be here and 4 means that is going to be here, right? So let me join these 2 points. Getting me? Next, getting me? See, listen, let me repeat once again. In the x-axis, I have to consider 4. Y-axis we have to consider minus 2.8. Y-axis negative, x-axis positive. Let me join those 2 points. I am getting this one. Next, 0, x-axis 0. 0 means this one. Y-axis is minus 2.8. Again, we are getting that point will appear here. Just observe. Just observe. Next, at 270. Minus 4 plus 2.828, right? Minus 4. X-axis value is minus 4. Whereas y-axis value is what? Plus 2.828. Plus 2.8. Y-axis is positive, x-axis is negative. Let me join these 2 points. And then x-axis is 0. Y-axis again coming back is that is coming back to what? 2.828. Listen, 360 which is equal to 0 degree only. Whichever the value that you are getting here, same value will appear here also. Right? Fine. So let us join. First I took this point and then I had been observed, right? I had been collected this point and then we have, right? That is I had been collected this point, then our pattern will be like this, which is equal to what? Once again, it will become an ellipse. And see there, first I took this point and then this is the direction I had been traveled and then I had been reached this point and then I had given the comeback. I had been started traveling like this, like this, like this, like this again. What type of relation it is? Sir, the thing is you have to observe. First I was getting an ellipse at a theta equal to 45 degree, but this ellipse had been rotated in the clockwise only. Direction is clockwise. There is no doubts. This is also clockwise and a circle. At a theta equal to 45 degree, I had started making an rotation, right, with the major portion, right? The major portion of my ellipse had been revolved in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. Getting me? This is first quadrant, this is third quadrant. the major portion of the ellipse had been revolved in what? First and third quadrant in case of at theta equal to 45 degree. Now, if I will consider at theta equal to 135 degree also, again I am making an same ellipse, still I am rotating in that is same clockwise direction, but if you observe, major portion is being covered in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. The major portion of the ellipse will be covered in the second and fourth quadrant. So, and your ellipse is what? It will be looking like this. This is the observation, and still it is making what? It is rotating in the clockwise direction, no doubts. Still it is rotating in the clockwise direction only, but the major portion is being covered in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. If you observe, whereas this one is covered first quadrant, right? Major portion is covered in the first quadrant and third quadrant. Sir, you have to understand. See there, a small portion is being appeared in the first quadrant also, but very small amount. Major portion is being covered in the second and fourth quadrant, whereas small portion is being covered in the first and third quadrant. That is, there is a difference between theta equal to 45 degree and theta equal to 135 degree. Whereas, okay, let us see. Circle means what? Each portion, right? First, second, three, that is third, fourth, all quadrant will have same values. Clear? Yes. Let us continue. Let me increase the value of theta to 180 degree. Our next stuff is, suppose if the value of theta is 180 degree. Let's see what happened. Slowly observe, right? No issues. Now let us see what happened. Again, let us consider all the values. Shall I rub this one? Yeah, I have to rub. Okay, let me remove it. Yeah, this is much better, I hope. Okay. I hope it is not disgusting, right? Let me close all the portions. Guys, please be patient, right? I know time is being wasted here, but there is no option. I have to redraw, then only you'll get the clear idea, right? Yeah. Okay. Let us start the journey. Once I start the journey with the 180 degree displacement, right? So the phase angle displacement between the waveforms are what? 180. Let's consider once again at x equal to 0. Let's place the values at theta equal to 0. At theta equal to 0. Sin 0, 0. What about here? 0 plus 180. Sin 180, 0. Again at theta equal to 90. So theta equal to 90. Sin 90, 1. 1 into 4 will become 4. Here 90 plus 180, 270. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. At theta equal to 180. Sin 180, 0. Right? Sin 180, 0. Right? So it will become 0. 180 plus 180, 360. Sin 360, 0. Again 270. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. 270 into 180, that is, see, listen. 270 plus 180, it can be written as, see, 270 plus, wait a minute, let me break it. Actually, it is 270 plus 180, right? This 270 can be written as 180 plus 90. Do you all agree with me? Exactly. So I can say, see there, 180 plus 180 will be equal to 360. 360 will be 0 degree. So it can be written as 0 plus 90 degree. Are you guys getting me? 270 can be split into 2 of 180 plus 90. If you observe, 180 plus 180 will give you 360. 360 equal to 0. 0 plus 90 will be equal to 90 degree. So what is the conclusion? At theta equal to 270. 270 plus 180 will be equal to 90 degree. Sin 90, 1. 184 will become plus 4. At 360. Sin 360, 0, sir. 360 plus 180, again 0. Why? Because 360 will be equal to 0 degree. 0 plus 180 will become 180. Sin 180, 0 only. Let's spot the values on the screen of the CRO, right? Coming back to the CRO. Sir, x-axis value is 0, y-axis value also 0. So let us stand, that is, let me stand at the center point. And then x value is x-axis 4, y-axis is minus 4. X-axis is plus 4, y-axis is minus 4. Let me join these 2 points, it will be here. And then at 180, x-axis is 0, y-axis is 0. We are getting back to the same point, right? So here, we observed a line. Now let us see, and then again x-axis is minus 4, x-axis is minus 4, y-axis is plus 4, join these 2 points. Again 0, 0, right? Let me join these 2 points. What is this? Again we are getting a slope or straight line, right? But what is the angle? It is inclined. If you observe from the origin, it will be placed positioned at an angle of 135 degree. I am getting a straight line from the origin. That straight line will be placed at an angle of 135 degree, and at which angle we are getting this straight line? When theta is going to be 180 degree, when the phase angle displacement between the waveform is going to be 180 degree, again we are going to get the straight line. But that straight line lies in the second and fourth quadrant. Listen, here also at theta equal to 0 also we got the straight line, but this straight line lies in between, that is lies in first and third quadrant. At theta equal to what I can say 180 degree also, at theta equal to 180 degree also we are getting this straight line, but this straight line will be placed in the second and fourth quadrant. It will be placed in the second and fourth quadrant. Clear? Yeah. So that is what we are getting at theta equal to 180 degree. Still I am not completed yet. Let us increase the value. Let us go ahead with 225, right? So our next target is, suppose if you have 225, if your angle is 225, then that is the phase angle displacement between the waveform is 225, then what type of pattern will be displayed on the screen of the CRO, right? Let us see. Guys, I'm not watching you all. If you have any interruptions with the classes, you please make WhatsApp call immediately, right? Yeah, because I'm doing some calculations on the calc, right? I cannot watch you. Fine. Let us continue. Let me place the values first. What is our journey with the 225, right? Let's see. At x equal to 0, sin 0, 0, sir. 0 plus 225 will become 225. Sin 225 minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will give you what? Minus 2.828, right? So this is equal to minus 2.828. At sin 90, 1. 184 will become 4. Here 90 plus 225 will be equal to 315. Sin 315 minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root into 4 again minus 2.828. 180. Sin 180, 0. 180 plus 225. How will you break this one? Let us consider actually this 180 at theta equal to 180. If I place to 180 plus 225, it can be broken as, listen, 225 can be broken as 180 plus 45 degree. Do you all agree with me? Exactly. So here we have what? 180 plus 180 plus 45. 180 plus 180 will become 0 degree. 0 plus 45 will become 45 degree. Sin 45 will become 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 4 will become 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2 will be equal to what? Plus 2.828. Next 270 degree. At 270, sin 270 minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4. Here this is 270 once again, right? So once again here I am going to get what? 270 plus, here what we have, this is going to be 225, right? So let us consider this is going to be 225. Anyway, we all know this can be again written as 270 plus, let me break this one as what? 2 of 225 can be broken as 180 plus 45 degree. 180 plus 45 degree, right? Again, this 180 can be broken into 2 of, that is 90 plus 90, such that, see there, 270 plus 90 become 360, 0 degree. 0 plus 90 plus 45 will become 135. Sin 135 will be equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 4 will become what? 2 into root 2. That is equal to what? Plus 2.828. So again we are going to get plus 2.828 only. At 360, sin 360, 0. Here 360 means 0 only. 0 plus 225 will become minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will become once again minus 2.828. Minus 2.828. I told you 0 degree is equal to 360 degree. So whichever the data that we are getting here, same data will be displayed on at a 360 degree also, right? Coming back to the screen of the CRO, right? Let me remove these things first. Fine. Let us place the values here, right? See, first of all, what? X equal to 0. Center point is where? X equal to 0. Y is minus 2.828. X is 0. X is 0. Y is minus 2.828. Somewhere here. And then X is 4. Y is minus 2.828. Where is X is 4? X equal to 4 means this one. X equal to 4 is this one. Plus 4. Minus 2.8. this is minus 2.28, this is plus 4. If I'll join these 2 points, then one more spot will be appear here. Next spot 180 degree. Theta equal to, that is sine is first value is 0, second value is plus 2.828. First value, that is x axis value is 0, y axis value is plus 2.828, so it will be displayed at this point. Next minus 4 plus 2.828, minus 4, x axis value is minus 4, y axis value is plus 2.8, it will be spotted at this point. And then same point 0 minus 2.828, 0 minus 2.828, right? So we got 4 points here. Let me join. See, I had been started our journey here anyway. Let me draw like this. Now you please observe carefully where we have started our journey. Initially I was starting our journey with a 0, right, comma minus 2.8. This is the first point I took, and then our second point is to be here, second point will be here. So I had been traveling in this direction. Observe carefully. And then I went up, that is I went to this point, right? I went to this point, right? See there, first point is 0 comma minus 2.8, that is minus 2.8, this point. Second point is 4 comma, right, which is 4, that is in the x-axis I got plus 4, y-axis I got minus 2.828, I have to cover this point. Third point, again x-axis value become 0, y-axis is going to be plus 2.28, that is 828, we got this point. Fourth point, I got this one, right? So first I went up with this one, second I had been traced to this point, again we are spotting this point, and then we are spotting this point, right? So I'm just following the pattern. What type of direction it is? Still we are getting same type of ellipse, right? At theta equal to 225 degree, yeah? Yes, at theta equal to 220 degree, again we are getting an ellipse. But this ellipse will be rotating in counterclockwise direction. It will be in counterclockwise direction. And if you observe the major portion, again the major portion at theta equal to 225, right, you can observe, that is if you are passing two sinusoidal signal with the phase angle displacement of 225 on the CRO screen, you can observe an ellipse will be displayed, right, and it will be rotated in the counterclockwise direction, and the major portion of the ellipse lies in the second and fourth quadrant. Clear? That is at theta equal to 225. Let us raise the angle once again. Plus 45 if I will put with this, that is going to be 270 degree. Let us see at 270 what type of pattern will be displayed on the screen. Okay, let's observe. Right, again let me remove this one. See, some things are standard here. One thing you have to understand, but in your examination, if we are being tested with some different signals, anyway, I hope in TRB, TNB at all, they won't go that much. நீங்கள் பார்த்த டேட்டாவில் தான் கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும், அவ்வளோதான். இன்னொரு 2 டயக்ராம் வரைய போகிறோம், இதில் தான் உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கும், ரைட்? எனிவே அதுக்கு நம்ம அஷ்யூரிட்டி கொடுக்க முடியாது இல்லையா, ரைட்? 98% we can expect. Suppose if they are giving some new signal, now I know you are getting the grip with the concept, right? Now you know how to draw the pattern. You can simply draw it and you can post your answer. Let's continue the journey again. Let me consider 360 degree. Okay, correct, huh? Already we had been selected 270, right? We have to draw it for 270. Yeah, we have to draw. Start pannalama? Yes. So our journey is with the 270 degree, right? At theta equal to 0, once again. If theta is 0, sin 0, 0. Theta is 0. 0 plus 270, 270. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 184, minus 4. Theta equal to 90. Sin 90, 1. 184, 4. 90 plus 270, 360. Sin 360, 0. 0 plus 4, 0. 180. Sin 180, 0. 180 plus 270, which is equal to what? 90 degree. See, 180 plus 270 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? See there, we know at omega t equal to 180, 180 plus 270 can be written as 180 plus 90 degree. 180 plus 180 become 360, that is 0 degree. 0 plus 90 become 90. Sin 90, 1. 184 will become 4. At 270, sin 270 minus 1. Minus 184 minus 4. At 270, 270 plus 270 will become 540. Right? 540 can be broken as, right? So listen, so we have 270, we can write like this, for is omega t equal to 270, 270 can be written as 180 plus 90, am I correct? Plus one more 270 will be there, that can also be written as 180 plus 90. So we can write like this, 180 will become what? 180 plus 180 become 360, that is 0 degree. 90 plus 90 will become 180. Sin 180, sin 180, 0. 0 into 4, that is also going to be 0 only. At 360 degree, let's see. Sin 360, 0. 360 plus 270 will become 270 only. Sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 will become minus 4. Let's plot the all values. That is, let us plot the values on the screen of the CRO. Let's continue our journey with this. So first thing is what? At x equal to 0, sorry. At theta equal to 0, x value is 0, y is minus 4. X value is 0, y is minus 4 here. And then x equal to plus 4, y is equal to 0. X equal to plus 4, y is 0, this point. And then x is 0, y is plus 4. X is 0, y is plus 4, this point. And then x is minus 4, y is 0, this point. First, I had started our journey at this point. We had been crossed this one, and then I am coming back to this point. See there, almost we are making, and we are making a circle. And this circle is, see, I had been started here. I am traveling like this. I am reaching this point. I am reaching this point. I am reaching this point. This point. See there, I am making a complete circle here. So what is the conclusion? At a theta equal to 270, is this visible to you all? Let me come back. Listen. 1 second. Sorry guys, I know I'm wasting our time. Yeah, I'm just checking, right? I think this portion is visible, right? Yeah, this is visible only. Let me draw. At theta equal to 270 degree, again we are getting this circle, and this circle is rotating in the counterclockwise direction, right? It is rotating in the counterclockwise direction. Direction is counterclockwise. Getting me? Yes. So next, let us consider the last point at theta equal to 270 plus 45, 315, right? Let me consider 315, right? So let us consider 315. Let us plot the final waveform. Okay. That's all. There are no more things from my side. Let me draw the pattern, right? What type of pattern we are going to observe? At theta equal to 0 degree. Let me plate. Let us consider once again. At theta equal to 0 degree, what we are going to consider, right? At theta equal to 0 degree, if I place sin 0, 0 sir. 0 plus 315 will become 315. What is the value of sin 315? Sin 315, which is equal to what? Am I correct? Yeah, sin 315 will become to minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will become what? Minus 2.828, right? So that is minus 2.828. Theta equal to 90. Sin 90, 1. 184 will become 4. 90 plus 315. Once again, right? So let's start from the beginning. See there, 315 can be written as, right? So here I am considering 90 degree, right? 90 degree plus, plus 90. 90 degree plus 90. What we are going to observe? Anyway, if I'll add 90 degree with 315, we are going to get what? 405. We are going to get what? 405. I hope I am correct. And we all know this 405 can be written as 360 plus 45 degree. This is much better. 360 will be equal to 0 degree. 0 plus 45 will become 45. Sin 45 will become 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 4 will become 2 into root 2. That is equal to plus 2.828. Next, sin 180. Sin 180, 0. 0 into 4 will become 0 only. Again, sin 180. 180 plus 315. Again, how will you write this one? Let us consider. If I will add 315 with 180, which is equal to what? Let me consider. 315 plus once again, we know we are adding 180. 180 can be written as 90 plus 90. This is much better. This is much better, right? But we know 315 plus 90 will give you what? 405. Let us consider 405 plus 90. See, உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேலை தோணுதோ அந்த வேலை நீங்க பிரேக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. I am just மைண்ட்ல என்ன ப்ளோ ஆகுது அப்படி நான் எழுதுறேன் அவ்வளவுதான், right? So the thing is 405 can be written as what? 360 plus 45 degree. இதை விட ஷார்ட்டா உங்களுக்கு தோணுச்சுன்னா நீங்க ஷார்ட்டா எழுதிக்கலாம். There is no issues. Our target is what? 0 elements remove பண்ணனும் அவ்வளவுதான். 360 will be 0. 90 plus 45 will become 135. Sin 135 will be what? Plus 1 by root 2. Plus 1 by root 2 into 4 is what? Plus 2.828. At 270, sin 270, minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Here, 270, once again. See there, at theta equal to 270, once again, let me rub this one. Now, what we are going to consider here, I am going to consider 270, right? 270 plus Here I am going to consider 315, right? Now you can break this one. See there, this 270 can be broken as what? 225 plus, I hope this is 35, right? So that is 35. 270 means that is become, wait 1 second, 230 plus 30 become 260 only, na? Yeah, 230, yeah, this is not 270, so I have to consider 45 degree. Okay, am I correct? Yeah, so this is correct. 45 plus 315. Now 315 plus 45 will be 360, that is 0 degree. 0 degree plus 225 will become 225. Sin 225 minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will give you minus 2.828. At 360, sin 360, 0 degree. Here 360 plus 315 will become 315. 315. How will you consider 315? Directly, that is equal to minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 into 4 will give you once again minus 2.828 only. Coming back, let us put the, that is spot the values on the screen of the CRO. You please draw, don't wait for me. I know you all are getting the idea what I am trying to conclude, right? Okay, please be patient. Let me complete in few minutes. Yeah, that's all. So this is how we are developing the pattern. Now let us spot the values on the screen of the CRO, right? How will you spot the values? First, for the x-axis, sir, x-axis value is 0, y-axis value is minus 2.828, right? So x-axis value is 0, y-axis value is minus 2.8. That value might be displayed at somewhere here. And then x-axis plus 4, y-axis is plus 2.828, right? X-axis is plus 4 and y-axis is what? See, listen. X-axis is 4 and y-axis is plus 2.8. That will be joined somewhere here. X-axis or value 4, y-axis value is plus 2.828, right? So if I join these 2 points, it will be splattered here, right? First point will be here, second point will be here. Third point, x-axis 0, y-axis is plus 2.828, right? X-axis is 0, y-axis is plus 2.8. See, first point, second point, third point, fourth point. X-axis is minus 4, y-axis is minus 2.8, right? This one. And then we are getting back to same point. See there, first I had started our journey with this one, and then I am crossing this one, and then I am reaching this one. I am rotating in what? In which direction we are making the revolution? It is rotating in the counterclockwise direction. And what type of waveform that we are that is getting on the screen? That is what? It is an ellipse. Sir, it is an ellipse, sir, at 315, at theta equal to 315 degree. Am I correct? Yeah. So we are getting, once again we are getting an ellipse. Yeah, in this ellipse also, if you observe carefully, major portion of the ellipse lies in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. Of course, that is correct only, but this ellipse is being rotated in the counterclockwise direction. It is being rotated in the counterclockwise direction. These are all the observations that we are getting on the screen of your CRO for various values of the theta. This pattern is simply called Lissajous pattern. I hope things are getting clear now. Clear? So this is how we are developing the various waveforms on the screen of the CRO, right? Now, I'm just requesting you, till now, what I was considering here, I was considering only what? Equal magnitudes, right? Anyway, you are going to face same type of things only, but the thing is what? Now, the small changes is, suppose if you are changing the value of what I can say, if you are keeping different magnitude, then let us see what will happen. Let me take very few examples. Let us take one circle and one ellipse and one straight line, then you'll get the clear idea, right? Okay, let us consider, okay, first case I am taking sin omega t. Let us go back to the previous case. Let me consider 4 here and let me consider 8 here. Let us consider 8 is too much, right? It's very high value. Let me consider, this is, I'm going to consider 2 sin omega t. Let me consider 4 sin omega t. That is much better, because in our scale we are considering only 3 lines. I can go up to 6 voltage. That's why I'm restricting the values between less than 6. Right? Yeah, I hope things are clear now. Anyway, our journey is, sir, phase angle is not different. We are getting, that is, there is no phase difference between them. It is 0 degree. It is 0 degree. But magnitude is different, sir. What type of pattern will be appeared on the screen? That is just to repeat the same process. I am not letting you in trouble. Now you know you are getting the clear idea now. You just apply the procedure that we have understood so far. Just to find out the 5 values, post it on the screen. You will get the waveform. Clear? Yeah. So let us see how to do that one. Right. So let me continue. Anyway. Okay, what I am going to do, let me rub this all things, right? So let me rub all these things. Let us continue our journey. Shall I remove this one? This pattern is already we have been collected it outside. Yeah, so let me remove these things. You please do it. Don't wait for me, don't wait for me, right? Just let the class to go. You please continue, you please do it by yourself, because I know you all are getting me. I know you all have understand the process now, right? So it's very easy process only. Now you can tell, sir, it is not worth for 2 mark. Yes or no? Okay, sir, for 1 mark it is worth, but it is not worth for 2 mark, right? But you will be tested for 2 more questions only, right? Fine. So let's continue. Guys, listen, each and every mark will decide your rank, right? 2 mark means don't think only 2 mark. The 2 mark will, what I can say, push you to move what? To forward what? That is, you can cross more than 1000 people, right? So each and every mark will decide your merit list rank, right? Fine, let's continue. Vx and Vy. What is the task initially? When I am placing theta equal to 0, sin 0, 0, sir. Sin 0, 0, sir. So both are going to be 0 only, sir. Because 0 into 4, 0 into 2 will become 0 only. 0 into 4, sorry, 0 into 2, 0 into 4 will become 0 only. Let's consider theta equal to 90. Sir, sin 90, 1, sir. 1 into 2, 2, sir. Here, sir, sin 90, 1, sir. 1 into 4, 4, sir. 2, 4. Sir, sin 180, sin 180, 0, sir. Sin 180, 0. Sin 180, 0, 0, 0. Both are 0, sir. 270. Sin 270, sir. Minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, sir. This is minus 4, sir. 360. Both are 0, sir. Can you please plot the values on the screen? Let us plot the values. That is, spot the values on the screen. Let me do it. Right? Let's see what happened. First, I was getting 0, 0, first spot. Next, I was getting 2, 4. X-axis is 2, y-axis is 4. It will be displayed on this point. It will be placed at this position. And then 0, 0 coming back to same point. It will be like this. And then again minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 2, minus 4. This point, right? And then again we are getting back to same point. So it will be joined like this. Sir, what is the difference between previous case and the present case, right? So I'm just letting you please go to the previous one. Initially I was getting 2 sin, that is, I was placing 2 sin omega t and 2 sin omega t at this point, correct? I was keeping 2 sin omega t and 2 sin omega t. Now when I was considering 2 sin omega t, 2 sin omega t without any phase angle displacement, what type of pattern that we are getting here? Same magnitude வரும்போது நமக்கு என்ன வந்துச்சு? Of course we got some pattern that was being like this, correct? Exactly at 45 degree we got a line. At 45 degree we got a line. Now what happened? This slide, that is sliding angle will be increased. See there, என்ன இருக்கு பாருங்க. Still I am getting same slope only, straight line only, but initially my line was being like this. Now it will be tilted. So my angle is what? Now this exact angle is not known, but this sliding angle is what? This angle is what? It lies in between. It lies in between 45 and 90. Initially I was being standard exactly at 45 degree. Same magnitude vandadhu appadina you are getting 45 degree. If you are getting different magnitude, then your line position will be tilted, such that your angle is going to be what? It is anyway at theta equal to 0 degree with a different magnitude. If two patterns are entering into the CRO, then again you are going to get this same what I can say slope only, but it will be tilted. Now it is lies in between. Your line is lies in between 45 degree and 90 degree. Like that you can observe many things, right? Now I am giving a small task to you all. Now you please take the phase angle difference, right? So take theta equal to 90 degree now. Take theta equal to 90 degree now. And you please drop your answer here. What type of waveform that we are going to getting? That's all. That is your work. Take theta equal to, not now, in your free time. Theta equal to 90. See, listen, hereafter, I don't want to conclude anything. Don't memorize. My intention is don't memorize anything. That is what I would like to conclude here, right? You have to understand, right? I hope you all are getting what I'm trying to conclude here. Hereafter, you no need to worry about this pattern, right? Everything will be given. Just put these values on the screen of your CRO. Just should try to develop the pattern. You will get the idea. There are no more things to understand here. Clear? Yeah. So this pattern is simply called what? Lissajous pattern, right? Guys, listen, theta equal to 90 degree. Just mark these values on the screen, you will get. I hope you are not getting circle. I think so. I don't know. You please post your answer in the group, right? Yeah. So let me rub this one. Okay, let me make some conclusions here, right? That we had been observed already. Let me rub these things. Okay, totally in a complete cycle in the sense, while traveling from 0 to 360 degree, right? While traveling from 0 to 360 degree, I am observing, see here, at the theta equal to 0, I was getting a straight line. At the theta equal to, what I can say, 180, I was getting a straight line. That is, we are getting slopes, right? Yes. Now, in between theta equal to 0 and theta equal to 180, we are getting three type of patterns on the screen. One is, that is 2 ellipse and 1 circle. Now you please tell me, in between theta and 90, yes sir, not theta equal to, that is neither theta equal to 0 nor theta equal to 180, but I am considering in between, right? So it is greater than 0, less than 180. In between theta equal to 0 and 180, we are getting three type of patterns here. In that patterns, two type of patterns are going to be an ellipse. One type of pattern is a circle, and anyway the conclusion is, in between theta and 180, whichever the pattern that are being displayed on the screen, that are going to be what? All these patterns, right? Whichever the patterns, I don't want to worry about this one. All the patterns in between theta and 180, all the patterns that are being displayed on the screen are being making its revolution. That is revolutions in what? They are always being, that is, they are always be making its revolution in clockwise direction. Do you guys agree with me? Just observe, sir, initially I was rotating in the clockwise, rotating in the clockwise, rotating in the clockwise. It does not matter at which angle you are lies in between theta and 180 degree. So the first conclusion is, whichever the pattern that are being displayed on the screen in between theta and 180, they are going to be simply always being rotated in the clockwise direction only. First conclusion. Observe, right? The second thing is, again, theta is, while going from 180 to 360 degree, right? It is neither 180, but it is greater than 180. It should be strictly less than 360. Listen, 360, which is equal to 0 degree only. Don't forget, 360 in the sense 0 degree only. Again, we are getting back to the starting point, right? Yeah, fine. Anyway, that thing I don't want. In the second statement, what I would like to conclude, I hope you are getting me what I am trying to conclude here. If you observe the pattern, sir, in between 180 and 360, again we had been, that is, we are getting three patterns, 2 ellipse and 1 circle. If you observe each circle, right, it does not matter at which point you are belongs to, in between 180 and 360, right, the pattern that will be displayed on the screen definitely will be making its, it will make its revolution in counterclockwise direction only. Do you guys agree with me? Yes. So if the value of theta is lies in between 180 and 360, so I can make my next statement that the pattern that is being displayed on the screen will going to be rotated in the counterclockwise direction only. There is no doubts. Okay, it will be fixed. So listen, I'm not letting you to memorize. Just observe, observations, because at some times you'll be tested for some worthless one more questions. That's why I'm making these statements clearly. Okay, did you observe all things? Yes sir, observed, yes. And the next thing is what? Exactly, right? Now I'd like to make one more conclusion, right? Exactly, at theta equal to 0 degree, at theta equal to 0 degree, or theta equal to 180 degree, what type of pattern we are getting, sir? The pattern is, the value that I am getting, it is always going to be a slope. That angle might be different. Just now we saw, we may get different magnitude and different things at all. But that for that, your slope, your line will be what? It might be different, right? It might be tilted, right? By some other angle. I cannot say. But we are getting slope at theta equal to 0. See, theta equal to 0, which is equal to what? Which is always, it is also equal to 360 degree. Okay. Next, let me consider exactly at theta equal to 90 degree and 170. At theta equal to 90 degree, exactly. At theta equal to 90 degree and theta equal to 270 degree. What type of pattern we are getting, sir? Listen. இப்போ இந்த ஸ்லோப் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த ஸ்லோப்போட வேல்யூ வந்து எக்ஸாக்டாக உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ வரும் அப்படின்னா, இட் வில் பி பிளேஸ்ட் அட் அன் ஆங்கிள் ஆஃப் 45 டிகிரி, ரைட்? நீங்கள் 0 டிகிரியில் வந்து வேவ் ஃபார்ம் வரைகிறீங்க அப்படின்னா, ஆரிஜின்லேருந்து கரெக்டாக 45 டிகிரியில் வந்து யூ ஆர் கெட்டிங் அ ஸ்லோப், ரைட்? அண்ட் ஃபார் 0 டிகிரி வி ஆர் கெட்டிங் 45 டிகிரியில் ஸ்லோப் வரும். ஃபார் 180 டிகிரி வி ஆர் கெட்டிங் வாட்? 135 டிகிரியில் உங்களுக்கு ஸ்லோப் வந்திருக்கும், கரெக்டாக? From origin லருந்து it will be tilted. எவ்வளோ பொசிஷன்ல பிளேஸ் ஆயிருக்கு? 135 டிகிரில பிளேஸ் ஆயிருக்கும், கரெக்டா? That observation already we have done. But in order to get this one, your waveform has to keep same magnitudes. It means Vx max, maximum value of x signal, that is x-axis voltage, and maximum value of y-axis voltage are going to be equal. Then this case could be possible. At theta equal to 90 and theta equal to 270, you are going to get circle. You are going to get circle. Guys, listen. Yes, of course, you are getting circle. But it could be possible when maximum voltage of the x-axis will become equal to the value of maximum voltage of the y-axis. These observations are very important because in your examination blindly without observing these magnitudes you might be fixed like this. உங்களுக்கு மைண்ட்ல என்ன ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிருக்குனா θ equal to 90 லயும் 270 என்ன வந்திருக்குனா சர்க்கிள் வந்திருக்கு. அப்ப நீங்க டைரக்டா எக்ஸாம்ல θ equal to 90 ல எவ்வளவு வரும் அப்படினு கேட்டாங்கன்னா நீங்க சர்க்கிள்னு போட கூடாது. Observe the magnitude. Observe the magnitude. If both are equal, then you are going to get circle, right? Just observe. That's very important. Okay. These are the observations that we are getting it right, and now you know which at which angle we are going to make what type of revolutions and all. In which direction you are going to revolution. That is make the rotation, right? It may be clockwise or counterclockwise. It belongs to what? The region. If you are lies in 0 to 180, then it is what? Clockwise. If you are lies in the region of what I can say 180 to 360, then it will be in the region of what? Sorry, it will make its revolution in the direction of counterclockwise. Okay, that's all. So these are all the Lissajous pattern waveform. I hope things are very clear now, right?